Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela with Angela's Inspired Creations. Today I'm going to show you very quickly how to use the attach button in Cricut Design Space. This tool can be very helpful when you're working on projects and you need them to stay where you want them. We're going to start by looking at the little project that I've created here on my screen. Right now I just have some text and an image. Now, if I was ready to cut this image, I would just go to make it. The problem is that when I go to make it, all of my design is now all crazy. We don't want that. We want it to actually look how we have it here on the screen. So, Cricut Design Space has a really awesome tool called Attach, that when you select all of the layers that you want to stay right where they're at, we can select all of these layers and we can click Attach. It's right down here at the bottom. It's just one of many tools that we'll get to in other videos, so keep watching. So I'm going to click Attach, and when I do that, nothing has changed. My image is still here, but now I can move it all around the screen if I want, and I can even make it smaller and make it larger if I want, and everything stays right where I put it. It's kind of like gluing all the little layers together so that they'll stay where we want them. So now if I were to click Make It, ta-da! Now everything is staying right there. Now, it's not always best if you're trying to save your vinyl or your paper and you really want it to just use as little space as possible. Then you don't have to attach. Use it, let it cut everything on as small a piece of paper or vinyl as possible. However, if you're like me and you do a lot of projects and you really don't want to have to piece everything back together, little tiny bits that get really annoying, then and you want to get it all lined up perfectly, then what you can do is just use Attach, and now everything will cut just like this. And I don't mind to waste a little bit of this space up here in the corner. I cut all of that off as much as possible when I am trimming my design so that I don't waste any vinyl. But now everything's all put together for me. It's all lined up. I don't have to try and figure out how to line it up perfectly. It's done for me. It makes it super easy. Now I'm going to cancel that because I want to show you one more thing with the Attach button. What if I wanted to write on my book here? There's another way that you can use Attach when you are creating a design. I'm going to move this high to the front. You're probably wondering, why is this little high there? So I'm going to move it to the front. I want to actually change this from cutting. See how I got the little cut button? I'm going to change it to write. And now I have to change my color back. I'm going to say that I'm going to cut it in silver. Okay? I'm not actually going to cut it, write with it in silver. So I'm going to change that to silver. Now, if I were to go ahead and click Make It again, it's separate. It's not on my book. It's not going to write it. Everything is just going to cut. It's not going to do it the way I want it to. What I can do is I can actually select it and select my book, and I can attach like that. Now, everything should still be attached, so I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. We'll see if I did this correctly. I did! Yay! Sometimes I don't know. I just try things and I play with it until everything figures itself out. All trial and error. All the time. So now what I can do is now my design is all together with my drawing, which is my high. It's going to draw on that, and then it's going to cut out my design. So now I've basically killed two birds with one stone. I'm not having to go in and write and then go back in and put my mat back in and have it cut for me. Everything is being done all at one time, which we like. Yay. It makes things so much easier when you are working on a project. So I'm going to cancel that. So that is the wonderfulness that is Attach. I love the Attach button. I hope you will really enjoy it. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to group. We're also going to do a video on welding and all about flattening. And then we will talk about how to use some of the other little tools up at the top, like the curved text. I used just the Cricut Design Space curved text feature to do that, and we'll show you all of that in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like the video, show it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so that I can get this channel growing, and I would really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you for watching. Hopefully this one was a little shorter for you. Yay! I will see you in the next video. This is Angela, signing out. Thanks. Bye.